Hello my friends, you're welcome to simplify this math problem, which is square root of 6 minus square root of 37. So, in the first step, we write this as square root of 6 minus 37. We can write 37 as 7 times 5. And it will be square root of 6 minus, as you know, if we have square root of a times b, we can write this as square root of a times square root of b. So in here, we can write this as square root of 7 times square root of 5. And in next step, we can write this as square root of 6 minus square root of 7 times square root of 5, and we multiply this by 2 and divide by 2. So it will be square root of 6 times 2, it will be 12, minus 2 times this, it will be 2 square root of 7 times square root of 5 and over 2. And in next step, we write this 12 as 7 plus 5 and minus 2 square root of 7 times square root of 5 and over 2. And in next step, we write this 7 as square root of 7 to power of 2. Also this 5, we write this as square root of 5 to power of 2 and minus 2 times square root of 7 times square root of 5 and over 2. And if you look at this numerator carefully, this is in the form of a square plus b square and minus 2ab, and it will be a minus b to power of 2, right? Which is a is square root of 7 and b is square root of 5. So in here we write this in this form, and it will be square root of a minus b, it will be square root of 7 minus square root of 5 to power of 2 and over 2. And in next step, this is equals to, in here we can write this as square root of 7 minus square root of 5 to power of 2 and over square root of 2, right? And here, these 2 will cancel this square root, and it will be absolute value of square root of 7 minus square root of 5 and over square root of 2. In here, square root of 7 is greater than square root of 5, so square root of 7 minus square root of 5 is positive. So in here we can write this as square root of 7 minus square root of 5 and over square root of 2. And in here, we rationalize this fraction, and for rationalize, we multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So we multiply numerator and denominator by square root of 2, and it will be in here the square root of 7 times the square root of 2, it will be square root of 14, and minus a square root of 5 times the square root of 2, it will be a square root of 10, and over 2, square root of 2 times the square root of 2, it will be 2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.